All right, last time I missed out on the first part of the trip or the ride or whatever. So today I'm gonna try to capture that as well. Again, this has been very rutted out with the last rains. Normally I would just let it fly, but this is rather rough. Here comes a little jump. Yeah. And a turn off to the right. Hopefully there's nobody there. Nope. Whee! And that was the first part. Alright, here comes another fun one. Again, haven't ridden it in a while because of the rains, so I have to be a little more careful. Thank you in part because there are also people. And it's a very small single track that has a propensity to wash out and break off, and I don't really want to find myself in the ravine. Okay, here's a break off. Yeah, come on. Oh, there's another washout. Oh, here's one. Okay, here's one. Damn. I'm going slow normally. Oh, this is close. Oh, this one here. Damn, I gotta be careful with this crap. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, it gets kind of tight. No, another break off. And now here goes into the ravine, and there's a crossing that I have to do. Oh shit! With momentum. Oh man, it has washed out everything. But yeah, that was it. And next up, one of my secret spots, and also one of my favorite spots to ride in San Diego. I will not really divulge how I get there, but I will show what it looks like once I'm there. Here we go. Prime example of Make America Clean Again. Look at this shit. A bobcat. Huh. Here, kitty, kitty. You rarely see them, but they're here. Cool. All right. Here we are in a fun section, and this is also, this whole ride up here is one of the more entertaining parts of my whole ride. Holy moly, this used to be a lot higher, no water, and a lot less, damn, a lot less rocks. Oh, momentum. Damn, this is interesting. As I said, I have not been here in a while, and the rain has done quite a bit of damage. I can't get any traction. Oh man. But, wow. It's gonna get dark for a minute. Okay. I'm not sure how well the camera shows that, but it's fun. Apparently, there's still a lot of groundwater seeping out because it's muddy as hell. All right. Well, some idiot with a dirt bike was here. Well, that was an interesting mud fest. Hopefully, it's gonna get better now. Yeah. This is, by the way, all uphill and relatively steep, hence my, once again, heavy breathing. But then, it is, after all, mountain bike porn, so some heavy breathing is okay. Alright, like everything else on this trail, the next section I haven't ridden in quite some time, so I don't know what it's like at this point, but I'm hoping it's still good. And if it is, it's a hell of a lot of fun. Kind of like a mini roller coaster. All right, here we go. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Wow. Not quite as much fun as it used to be. Whee! Yeah. Yeah, baby. Coming up, the Dave Russell Memorial Corner right here is where I found him laying in the dirt again. But he was okay. Nice. It's a little grown in and kind of apprehensive, but it's still fun. Ooh, this is washed out. Has to be careful because the smoothness is kind of gone, but damn, it's fun still. Oh yeah. Whew. That was fun. Everything is so different after the heavy rains we had. Everything is washed out and super rocky, and all this stuff is just weird. There's no sand anymore. And it's all very, very rocky. And if it's not rocky, there's sandbogs. Still fun though. Just have to figure out different trails. This is hard to ride. There's no traction in this pebbled stuff. Alright. Soviet. Oh wow. More of this. And I think I'm gonna take a shortcut. Some of the stuff that I did last week, just in reverse. And there's gonna be a water crossing in a minute, and then a very, very steep, long uphill climb. And there have been quite a few people on the trek, so I hope that it's gonna be okay here. Okay. Alright, water crossing. Oh, sand. Oof. And uphill. Thank you. Yeah. And there's the 5 again. Ooh. Ooh, this is just so wild. Woohoo! Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Here we go. Headache Hill. This is a tree that gave me a concussion because I fell backwards onto it. Alright, this is the last clip I'm filming. The rest is going to be like last week. Huffing and puffing home. So that's my own version of Into the Wild. Well, the rest is a couple of water crossings and then the steep hill. So, thanks for tagging along. Hope you enjoyed it. Later.